I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add funds to your Affirm app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once you're in the app, find and tap on the wallet section located in the bottom menu. This is where all your financial transactions are managed. Step 3. Select Add Funds. In the wallet section, look for the Add Funds button and tap on it. This will take you to the funding options available. Step 4. Choose your funding method. You can choose to add funds via bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Select the method that works best for you and enter the required details. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Affirm link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you're using a debit card, ensure that your card is linked properly to avoid any issues during the transaction. Happy funding!